To my channel. So today I thought it would be fun to share with you how I created this soft, kind of messy, wavy look using a flat iron. Now I just think this is a really nice look, especially if you don't feel like trying too hard with creating a hairstyle, because it is very easy to do, very quick, and overall I just think it's a very nice look. So if you want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. So before I did anything, I just went through my basic hair care routine, which I have a video on. I will link that in the description below. I took this thicker section and a small little portion of that larger section, and I began straightening my hair inward and curling it like this. I did it very slowly just to make sure it would be nice and tight. And then I just released it and it popped up into this nice little curl. And then I just continued doing that for this large section right here. Now it's time to move on to my bangs and my fringe, so I just released that section and began curling both inward and outward. I find that when I curl sections both inward and outward, it kind of gives me that beachy, messy look that I was going for, so that's exactly what I did. Then I began curling the left side of my head after I applied some hairspray to the right, and I just took a larger section and began curling it outward. Then I released the top part of my hair and began curling it inward and outward just like I did on the other side. I did some finishing touches by just going through and curling any pieces that weren't exactly as curled as I wanted them to be, and I just sprayed my entire head with hairspray. And then I just lightly ran my fingers through the curls to make them more loose and more like waves. And this is the finished look. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please check out my other videos. I've got a ton of playlists on my channel. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!